for this magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be neat to show you kind of a easy way to do any card, any number routine that's not too difficult to do. So you have a regular deck of cards, and it can be borrowed deck. There's no setup involved in this trick at all. Have a spectator select any card that they like. They don't show it to you, but they look at it, remember it. You take their card, place it somewhere in the middle of the deck, completely losing it in the deck. Okay, you can even give the deck a few cuts and even a couple shuffles. Completely losing their card. Now, you ask the spectator to give you a number, say any number that they want. Let's say they said 7, okay? You're gonna make their card be 7th, not from the top, but from the bottom of the deck, okay? So if they would have said 1, they would have had, that would have been their card. But since they said 7, I'm gonna deal out 7 cards. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. Here's the 7th card. Their card could have been any one of these, but they picked the number 7. And wouldn't it be amazing if their card was the 7th card, the ace of diamonds? And that's any card up, and it's an easy any card, any number trick to do. Before I tell you how to do it, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like I said, this trick can be done with a borrowed deck. There is no setup, which is, one of the reasons why I like this trick. You have a well-shuffled, normal, regular deck of cards. Spectator has a free selection. They pick any card they like. Say they pick that one. 9 of diamonds, okay? What you need to do is get their card to the bottom of the deck, okay? So what I did, I said, okay, we'll place your card somewhere in the middle, and then I just push it in, okay? Push it in, and then with my thumb, I pull up just a little bit as it goes in, and then that allows you to get a break on the cards, like that. So their card is now on the bottom of the top stack of the cards. So when you have that, then you just cut right there at the break, okay? And then this packet of cards that you have left, I just kind of cut them in half so I can cut once, twice more. And so it looks like you've cut the deck 3 times, but you've actually just cut the deck and placed their card on the bottom, okay? So once you get their card on the bottom, you need to get it second from the bottom. And so what I do is when I just shuffle, I'll let one card go on my right hand, which is your left, and then start shuffling this side, okay? So their card's right here. I have one card down, and then I'll just shuffle the cards. So now I have one card, doesn't matter what it is, and their card's second from the bottom, okay? That probably is the hardest part about the trick, is just to get this one card in front of theirs, so it does take practice. You could also, get it second from the top and then do a overhand shuffle and get it second from the bottom, but I find this is kind of just a simple way to do it. Okay, so now you have their card second from the bottom. Have them name any number, usually less than 30. They say 100, 52 cards in the deck, so just get them to give you a reasonable number. They can say 20, they can say 30 if they wanted to, but usually, just say, below 30, whatever. So just get them to tell you a number that's just reasonable. So once they give you a number, let's say they said, for demonstration purposes, I think I use 7. You can say, I'm going to make it, 7th, not from the top, but from the bottom. You can do, you can say, boom, done, it's set. Now you show them the bottom card, and you're going to do the glide move. So you hold the deck like this, turn the cards over, have your thumb here on this corner of the deck. Say, I'm going to do it, get your card 7th from the bottom, and then when you deal off the first card, you say, if you named 1, that would have been the card we used, and then now you do the glide move, which is just with your middle finger on your right hand, you're just pushing the bottom card now, which is their card, just over a little bit, and you're hiding it with these fingers on your left hand so they can't see it. And then you can now just grab these cards until you get to their number, okay? So you're here, okay? You've just dealt one card off, and then the glide move, you just push this over just a little bit as you pretend to grab another bottom card, and then you can just grab the second card, okay? And then you're hiding that with your fingers. We've used this in a couple other tricks that I have tutorials for on as well. So then just keep grabbing these cards here, and with your thumb here, it kind of holds the cards so you're not getting a whole mess like that when you pull the cards up, okay? What you can do, it doesn't matter, just as long as you don't have a mess of cards here on your last card that you're gonna grab for. Okay, so they said 7, so we said 3. This will be 4. See what I'm doing? I'm just grabbing these right here with my middle finger again, okay? 5, 6, and then on the number that they've said, this is 7, then you just grab the bottom card normally with your middle finger, and I kind of just put my thumb, just make it normal, like you're just grabbing their card, place it face down, and then I spread these cards out. So you could have, selected any one of these. You said 7, what was your card? And then you reveal that that's their card, okay? So it's kind of a simple, any card, any number. This is any card up. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know what you think, and until next time.